Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Aisel Mitin. I am 27 years old, married, and I have 4 brothers and I will have a sister. I am the youngest in the family and I have 2 children. Both of them are boys and they are now 5 and 2 years old. I worked as a domestic helper for 2 years with my Philippine employer. I took care of 2 children when I started the work. The boy was 6 years old and the girl was 7 years old. Both of them are going to school already. So I have to wake up early in the morning, prepare their breakfast, assist in their bag, serve the breakfast. I carry their bag after I assist them in wearing uniform, putting on the sock on the shoes, and carry their bag to the school bus. I teach them in the afternoon 4 o'clock because they stay in school for whole day. I assist them in their homework, English, math, and science. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money for my family. I can do household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, and going to market and cooking. I am a primary teacher. I hope you will hire me, ma'am. I hope you will give me a chance to come in Hong Kong and serve your family. I am willing to learn from you, especially how to cook Hong Kong dishes, how to take care of the children in case if not the same in the Philippine style. And I hope you will hire me, ma'am and sir. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.